going, Incredible Gang? Boy, back with a video. I got some trims I gotta be doing. I'm doing for y'all today. It's carbon fiber trims. It's on my steering wheel, around my two vents, on the passenger side and the driver's side. And I got one for the where my air conditioners units are all at, and my volume button and all the other good stuff. So let's get to it. Alright, I got some trims for the inside of my car. I was totally against it, but then when I looked at it, I'm like, okay, it's pretty decent. So I got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 pieces, well, including these little pieces that go around the steering wheel. I got these pieces and these 2 pieces that go around the vent. Come on, man. That goes around the vent of the car. This one goes around the Uconnect screen. This one goes around my my stuff here. My stuff down here. So let's get to it. Alright, so I'm about to take the tape off on the back of these because it's 3M tape. And all I do is once I put it in there, I'll get it in there nice and neat. And I'll push it on there. This is how it would look once I get it on there. It actually look good. Actually look really good. Actually look really good. So let's get to it. So I went ahead and put it on there. Actually the tape is really small, so what I did, I got a knife and I just dig right into the tape. Not dig right into it, but got it on the edge and just try to pull it up with the knife. I don't know where the knife comes from, but it's come in handy. And this is how it looks so far. It actually looked really decent. Like I can't complain about it. It actually looked really good, no lie. So I got the tape all off and everything. Got the tape off. So now all I'm gonna do is get it nice and even. Let me check this shit out. How you go? Yeah. I had it upside down, guys. So don't be like me. Oh, nope. What the hell's going on here? Maybe I had it right. Uh-oh. Well, that was an epic fail. I got it up here, and as you can see, I was doing it right here. You can see it's perfect, but it's just a little too big, so that's epic fail. And there you have it. Yep. You already know what it is. Carbon fiber everything, baby. Carbon fiber. This was an epic fail. Check it out. Epic fail. See how big it is? So it's no good. Send it back. Get my money back. Let me get my money. Where's my money? I need cash. So that's the end of the video. It's a wrap. It's a done deal. It's looking better in here, no lie. So you already know what it is.